Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, TikTokers. In today's video, we're going to show you how to edit your TikTok videos using Capcut, a powerful video editing app. Capcut offers a wide range of features and effects that can take your TikToks to the next level. From trimming and merging clips to adding filters and transitions, you will have all the tools you need to create an engaging and captivating content. So let's jump right into it and learn how to edit your TikTok and CapCut in 2023. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So of course, first, if you haven't already head to your App Store or Google or whatever you have in your PC, make sure to install CapCut, and once it's installed, open the app and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface and editing tools. CapCut provide a user-friendly experience, making it easy to navigate and access all the editing features we'll explore in this tutorial. So first, let me just go and open my CapCut application as an example, as you should, of course. And here, make sure to log in into your account. As you can see, there is an update, so I'll ignore it for now. And of course, make sure to log in into your account at the top right corner or left corner. So if you just go and download the CapCut in another PC or something like that, you'll find your project's remains. So here, I'm just going to add a new project as an example. And here, I'll have to import my TikTok video. So here I'm just going to click on import, go to videos an example, go to captures here and try to get those pixels video that I uploaded or downloaded here. Simply just try to get them here. And as you can see, here is, I have some or a good amount of videos. Here, of course, I'll be able to click on this plus sign or drag the videos out in here in this editing option. Because from here, I will do all the magic. So let's say, for example, this is some clips from TikTok. Of course, those are just random videos, but for you, let's just try and say it's some TikTok videos. It will be the same. So let's just make them smaller as an example or bigger a little bit. And of course, let's just even add this. Why not? So here, we can of course start editing. As we said, if you want any cuts, so let's say, for example, this video, we have a problem on it on the second three. So simply we can go and click on this trim or splits and cuts. So simply let's just go and make it wider a bit. And let's say, for example, we are watching the video and we found a mistake here. So simply cut it and go again. And okay, here we tried again to start. So cut it again and simply we can delete this. And as you can see, it will appear with even no problems. You'll not even notice the difference. Of course, you can even add some audios to your videos. As an example, let's say you have a videos without any audio. You can simply go to this option here, record, and you will be able to record your voice from here. So once you record your audio, you will find it right here added to your videos right here. Of course, it will be down like in this audio option. You can even add some music if you want from TikTok or some trending audios as an example. Just download this, and of course we can even add it. And as you can see, if we play the video now, we'll even hear the music over the video. So now that if we want, of course, to add some audios. How about if we want to add some text? We can simply go to this text option and add simple text. We can add this here. We can add in the first of the TikTok like welcome. A welcome text. Why not? So simply let's just add a welcome sign, or of course we can even change the fonts if you want to. And here we'll be able to see the fonts how it is. So make sure to select whatever suits you as an example. And let's say, as an example, this one is good. And let's just select even a style for it. We can even make it bigger, and put it wherever we want. And we can even add some animations to it. So here's an example. Let's just add, I don't know, maybe this animation. As you can see, we can even extend the duration of the animation. And as you can see, this is going to be it. Or I can even zoom in, zoom out, squeeze. So choose whatever suits you here and you'll be good to go. So as you can see, now we added 6 and we added even animation to our TikTok video. Here, of course, we'll be able even to add some animations set, trackings, or text to speech. We can add a text and you will hear our audio reading that text out loud. Of course, you can even add some stickers as an example. You can add some stickers, some trendings, some Mother's Day stickers, or whatever you want. So let's say, as an example, we would like to add normal stickers and we would like to add this explosion sticker. So simply just go and add this here. You shouldn't add it there. Add it here, and when you go here, you'll find it right here. So make sure to have it down here, or even, oh, sorry, here it's did not appear yet. So let me just do it as an example. We can simply put it here, and we can even add some animations to it. So let's just add this fade animation and even expand animation or zoom in or spin as an example, or bounce in. So of course it will look good. Then we can add some effects to our video. As an example, we can add this edgy glow. As you can see, this will not look good here because I actually don't have it, or I don't have a person in our video. As an example, if we add this smart sharpen as an example, as you can see, or I don't know, it will look different if you have like a video of your own. So make sure to add any effects if you want to. You'll be able to do so, and you can even add some transitions. So let's just add some transitions between those options. As you can see, let's just add a mix here. Let's just add, I don't know, a left here. Of course, we would like to do this so it can think, it will know that we will have. So we can do this as an example. Okay. And let's just add a pull in here. And as you can see, we even add transactions. So now we can check our video. So let's just make it smaller so it will not take a lot of time to view that video, and make this smaller. So make full screen, and you can preview the video. As you can see, every changes we made, we'll find it right here with the transactions, with everything that we made. As you can see, those are going to be the transactions. We can even make the video go faster from here. We'll be even able to hear the voices. For me, I cannot hear that. Oh, or sorry, for you, you cannot hear that because I am not capturing the sound of my PC, but it's not going to be a problem. So once you finish your editing on your TikTok video, you can simply go here and click on exports at the top right corner. Of course, here you'll have to give it a title as an example. So write this as an example, test01, and here you'll be able to export it to whatever file you have in your PC. Let's say, example, I'm just going to put on downloads, click on selects. Here we can choose the resolution, bitrate, codec, format, and frame rate, and even we can export the audio alone if you want to. Once we finish, click on export. And once the export's finished, we can even upload it to our TikTok directly from here. As you can see, I can sign in to my TikTok, and if I want to, I can publish it directly to my TikTok and without even taking it from my PC to my TikTok and etc. If you want to, I'll have to sign in. So click on sign in. That will take me here to the browser. I'll have to sign in here. Once I'm signed in into my account, I'll simply have to publish it, and I'm going to be good to go. For me, I'm not going to do so now. And for you, that's gonna be it. If you reach this moment of the video, congratulations. You've learned how to edit your TikTok videos using Capcut in 2023. With Capcut's powerful editing features, you can enhance your TikToks with trimming, effects, filters, and more. Remember, editing is a creative process, so don't be afraid to experiment and find out your unique style. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, editing tips and tricks. So thanks for watching and happy TikToking, and I'll see you in the next one.